Hi everyone, today we'll see the market analysis for 21st June and the plan for 22nd June weekly expiry. So if you see here, today CPR opened nearby the previous day CPR, which indicates some range bound momentum, and also it's a wide CPR. If you see the gap between the CPR R1 R2, it's a compared to previous day it's little wide. So if you see here, previous upper side, if you see a bull side, the range is too wide. If you see bear side, range is too small. If you see R1, so the gap for S1 is very small when we compared with CPR, but if you see the gap between the CPR and R1 is too high when it compared to S1. So market opened in the flat, got a little gap up note. So it taken a very first 5 minutes candle, taken a very long bearish candle, but immediately first 5 minutes candle covered the long bearish candle and closed on the 9:15 candle, which indicates some positive sign, but exactly nearby all time high. This is the place. If you see here, it taken a one time support. After opening the gap up, it immediately taken a bounce. So today also it reached here, so it's like a third time. So exactly at reaching the third time place, it immediately taken a reversal position by, if you see here, we have seen a small 5 EMA strategy. If you see exactly here, it's become a 5 EMA strategy, and this is a confirmation candle. So after confirming, we have seen a very big fall till the CPR exactly touched the CPR and formed a morning star pattern. So after morning star pattern, so it taken a good consolidation here. So this is acting as a consolidation. Here it touched a 50 EMA. Here also it touched a 50 EMA. So after that, given a good breakout, this is the breakout candle. So after that, there is a we got an entry. So here also we got an entry by seeing a morning star. After good consolidation also we got a morning star entry. After that it moved up, so suddenly we have seen a same fall here. Wherever we have seen a fall, SLs, where everybody SLs will be there, so again base has been entered. But as we have discussed, this is a good consolidation and breakout pattern. Exactly, this is a trend line pattern. This trend line and the consolidation pattern, a horizontal line, both has been a combination place where it has taken a re support again it went and stayed here. So this is the, I mean, still entire day it stuck it in a range bound. Wherever it is open, same place it is there, around 5 to 10 points in the difference. So when it comes to a bank nifty, same in the case of bank nifty also, range bound momentum. Even if it opened 130 points around a gap up, so it stayed in the same range. So first 5 minutes candle is in a range. After that it tried to break out and say it's taken a resistance or a resistance exactly at a R1. So entire day, if you observe, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty opened above the CPR, in between the taken a resistance around of R1, and then again stayed in a consolidation phase in between CPR and R1. So after breaking the zone, so even at least Nifty tried to move upwards when compared to Bank Nifty. It's the entire day it is in a range bound. At least Nifty given one side momentum at least first half, but not in the case of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty entire day it was in a range bound momentum in a lower side bias. When it comes to Fin Nifty, compared to both Nifty and Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty is too strong today. So around 134 points. So it opened a gap up and again try to sustaining entire day. Gap up opening points itself 134. Even it stayed in the range bound momentum, but opening range is too high when compared to Nifty and Bank Nifty. So when it comes to a longer time frame, for tomorrow's analysis, Nifty is almost in a all-time high. So if you see here, this is a case of Nifty. Nifty see very strong lower price rejection. Yesterday also it is a strong lower price rejection. It is also today also it's a strong lower price rejection and formed a hammer. When it comes to a bank Nifty in a longer time frame, so it is also strong yesterday and today also lower price rejection is formed. So if tomorrow if anything it breaks today's low, then we can see the target around previous day low. So if it breaks upside, then we can see the target around 44,100. When it comes to a lower time frame in a 15 minutes, so it didn't even close. It tried to close today this horizontal line, but it didn't even close. Again it stayed above the trend line, which is forming on a daily candle. When it comes to 15 minutes time frame, market after recovering it stayed above the zone of 15 minutes. So this is the trend line. If you see, this is the trend line, green line, this is a trend line. So market stayed above this trend line, which indicates some positive sign. If market opens on a flat note and closes the today's high, then we can expect around 50 to 100 points upside momentum, which indicates some all-time high. So if it breaks this trend line will be acting as a very strong support, like a symmetric triangle it forms. If it breaks, we can see around this range of 50 points on a downside momentum. When it comes to a bank nifty, in the same case, Bank Nifty also same case, it as it is in a range bound, so it stayed above the 15 minutes. So if this trend line breaks, then we can expect the target around 150 points downside. So as tomorrow is a weekly expiry, we can see some trending day. From past 3 days we are seeing either bears or bulls, and it's, I mean, alternate days. So tomorrow we can expect some one sided momentum, either breakout or breakdown. Thank you.